How to make a paracord bracelet, zipper Sinnet, stitched. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982 YouTube Paracord community. Today we're gonna create this beautiful paracord bracelet, but before that, if you wanna learn how to make this beautiful paracord watch strap or a watch band, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner of this video in the information cards. Also there you can find lots of other useful tutorials. So for today's project we're gonna need this black paracord 550. This piece is 2 feet or 0.7 meters, and the larger one is 7.9 feet or 2.4 meters. So we're gonna create the bracelet without a buckle, but if you have a smaller buckle you can use it. And also we're gonna need the jig and the paracord fit. So let's start. Now we're gonna put this aside and we're gonna take our larger black paracord and we're gonna gut it. So cut off the ends of a cord. You can use these cords later on, so secure it with a simple knot, so around the finger, and then from the back through the loop. So here we have our snake knot and our loop. Now we're gonna take the feet and pull the working ends through this snake knot. So we're gonna take it, and this will be the front side, sorry, and the back side. So we're gonna pull the cord through the back side, through this loop here. Let me zoom a bit more, as you can see here. So through the loop, like that, and now simply through the bigger loop, like so. Now when we've done this, we're gonna take the ends of this larger or longer strand and we're gonna pull it together, so we'll have the equal length of a cord for each side. As you can see, we have the two working ends, the left strand and the right one. Now we're gonna take the right strand and place it on top of the bracelet core, and then we're gonna go around and to the back, and we're gonna create a little loop on the left side. Now we're gonna take the left strand and place it on top of the right strand and the core strands as well, and we're gonna go so like this on top and then around, and from the back we take the working end, this left strand, and we're gonna pull it through the loop here on the left side. So as you can see, like this. This way we're gonna lock our first knot and we'll have the firm base for today's project. Now pull it, cinch it, lock it. Take again the left strand and we're gonna go through this loop here on top of the bracelet core, and then around and again from the back through the loop and through. Pay attention now, here I have a tangled shell of our paracord. You need to untangle it so you can proceed with your project like I did here. Now we're gonna take this right strand and we're gonna pull it to secure the knot. And from here we're gonna continue with the zipper Sinnet. So pull the strands through the loop and then on top of the core strand. Pass it around the core and from the back side through the loop again here. Left the loop on the left and pull the left strand to secure the knot here. So we're gonna take the left strand and pass it from the top through the loop and then on top of the core strands and then under and through the loop again. So on top of this one, under this crossing cord, and now we're gonna follow this cord as it go under, so under, and now we're gonna turn it again. From here we're gonna go under this one, we're gonna follow this one here, and it goes under this and here. So once more, on top of this one, under this here, and through. Again, turn it. On top of this, under this one here. I'm gonna do one more crossing from this side, and then we're gonna pass to the other side. So on top of this, under this one, now place it here on the top of this end, and then under this one and through. Now we're gonna create the stitching from the other side. So turn a bit, and then we're gonna pass under this one and on top of the next one. So under this strand here, and on top of this one, and under this. So now from this end, we're gonna return it under the red microcord and this black paracord, like this. Sorry, I hope you can clearly see. So this way, and under this one, and to the side, like so. This is just the first pass or first weave. It's kind of it's a bit different than the other weaves will be. So don't use this pass for the old weaves until the end. As I said, this is a kind of a different weave. So now we're gonna take it and follow this strand here, and we're gonna go under and on top of this one here. So under, then again on top, under, So here we are, we reached the end of today's project. Now we are left just to cut off this excess of a cord and the microcord, melt it down and create the stop knot. Now let's recheck the size of our bracelet. Now we're gonna just cut off the ends here, melt it down, and we are finished. I hope that you like this video. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Until then, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. See you soon. Bye.